You're videotaping. They won't go away. I'm gonna shoot you in your face. Violence is not the way. It is when you...
Quit playing footsies.
My feet are right.
Great, Crystal, this is your interview. What's your name? Where do you live? And how old are you?
What was the first one?
Oh, I know. Crystal Hensel. What's her age? 14. Where does she live? Beatty, Nevada.
Did you just fart?
What's your favorite hobby, Crystal Hensel?
Basketball.
Are you sure?
Collecting things on your wall. That's a lot of things. Boys is her hobby.
Ooh, what kind of boys, Crystal? White boys or...
Technically one boy.
Boys that look like,
Who is that, Crystal?
Yeah, James or Louis.
Cameron, Louis.
Ow. Cameron? No, Cameron's from Australia.
I know, Cameron was fine as hell.
Hello.
Be jealous, Louis. Be very jealous.
Be very jealous, Louis.
This is not
and
going
I
on
hope this is going to go on my MySpace.